Hold on. Wait, don't touch anything. Okay, Dex. Are you in your cave of darkness?
Yeah. I want some things, Mama.
You want some things? You're going to tell me what they are?
Yeah.
Okay. First, here comes the first thing. What is that?
Truck.
It's your truck. That's right. Okay.
I want some more things, Mama.
You want some more things? Okay. What is this?
Ball.
That's right. Okay. Let's see. What are these?
Sunglasses.
That's right. So, are things the same
Yeah.
in the dark and in the light?
I want some more things, Mama.
Is it the same in the dark as it is in the light? Yeah. Good job. All right, more things. What is this? That's right, your phone. More things. Okay. What is this? That's right, it's a circle. Good job, buddy. Did you learn something special about dark and light today? Good job. Ruby thinks it's a very good lesson.